What up everyone, this is Multi-Tutorials and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Wi-Fi error, no internet secured on your Windows 10 or 11 device that you may be getting. So let's get right into this. So there's a few quick ways on how to fix this. The first thing you should do is type in CMD, right click, run as administrator. Once you do this, we're going to type in two commands in here. The first one is ipconfig space / flush DNS, which is going to successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. And the second command that you're going to run is netsh winsock reset. For this one, you're going to make sure you want to reset your computer after you do that, but you'll see it'll say successfully reset the winsock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Once you do this, again, restart your computer, see if this fixes it for you. If not, the next thing you want to do is type in network reset until you see this pop up into the search bar, and then basically press restart now, and it's going to see this will remove, then it reinstall all your network adapters and other set components. Basically, if you have a VPN or something, it's going to remove all that other good stuff as well. So do this, you should be good to go, and you should not have this error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys have a video, please smash it up, go to the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell. Multi-Tutorials out, peace.